What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is energy that is collected by renewable sources, which are naturally reproduced in human timescale, such as sunlight, wind, and the rain, and the waves and geothermal heat, etc. Hello, my name is Juliana, and today I'm going to talk about renewable energy. Not renewable energy, but what Korea uses, or what renewable energy that Korea uses, and how can we use in this our city Seoul. First, in Korea Wonju, they use sunlight. They use solar powers to collect energy, and this is all by personal. Like they individually, they make it, they put it in, and they collect. They can all save energy, but they can save money or earn money. They can earn money. Like first, they can earn money when they have solar panels. The government gives money. Second, when they spend it, but there's more energy left, then we can sell it to the government. So when we sell it, there's something we have to have it, and the money comes back. And in Wonju, almost all citizens, the people who live, have only the electricity that they pay money is not over 1,000 won. That's a lot of. There's not a lot of money that you pay. No, it's very little money that you pay when you think about your money that you pay every month in your electricity. And second of all, in Jeju Island, they use wind power. This is all by government. The government and the energy from wind power is made by government, and they almost all energy that is used in Jeju Island is almost all produces in wind power. Like this, wind power and sunlight is very helpful to our saving energy. But how can we use in Seoul? In Seoul, we can use on top of the buildings that get a lot of sunlight, so we can save energy. And second of all, we can put in buses that goes a long term outside, so they can save fossil fuels. And second, how can we use wind power? Wind power have to have a lot of land and lot of money and and it's very noisy. And how can we use in Seoul? This is very small city, and how can we use in Seoul? We can use in Seoul by making it small. I make two version of this wind power, and one is really made but not used very much. It's like this much little, and the one I made is like this much bigger, and the small one we can put in we can get this and walk, and the wind comes. The wind power is produced by the wind, then the one is turns around, and the energy is saved, so we can get that. And the wind comes, then we can make energy. We can charge our phones or get batteries with the small one, and the bigger one that I made we can put on the tables, and when we open the window the winds come, and we can use, and the energy is produced, so we can use for lights or some small fans or small heaters that we use in winter, but not the big ones because it's so small. But I think but not big ones the big ones, we make a lot of we need a lot of energy. But I think these two solar panels and wind power energy, we can save a lot of money with what we use for energy. Thank you for listening.